Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best floor mats for cars in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best floor mats for cars that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the WeatherTech Custom Fit Front FloorLiner. Owners of the Ford F-150 know how difficult it is to get a quality floor mat. The WeatherTech is one of the best all-weather floor mats on the market for the Ford F-150. It is extremely durable but comes at a price because this floor mat is also the most expensive solution out there. However, you get a very high quality and extremely durable floor mat that has been custom made to fit any Super Cab or Super Crew Ford F-150 truck. You get only 2 front mats with this purchase. Moreover, the edges are contoured in such a way that it will contain any liquid spill in the center of the front mat. Additionally, there are ridges and grooves throughout the mat that makes it anti-slip. The rubber material in the construction of this floor mat is of superior quality and it will feel great even if you use this mat barefooted. All in all, the WeatherTech is an excellent choice even if it is a very expensive mat. If you own a Ford F-150 truck and looking for an aftermarket mat, then this is one of the best aftermarket floor mats you can get. Moving on at number 4. We have the Amazon Basics 3-piece car floor mat, black. The Amazon Basics car floor mat is another extremely affordable floor mat that does not necessarily sacrifice quality for the price. This model has tall ridges that make it anti-slip as well as able to hold liquid spills quite well. Additionally, you can buy this model in different styles and colors to suit your choice. The quality of rubber used is also excellent since it is a high-grade rubber that is durable and long-lasting. The only caveat we have with this model is that its edges can't be cut. Therefore, you will have to make sure that you correctly measure your vehicle's interior before purchasing this unit. Remember that this unit measures 18 by 28 inches for the front and 16.9 inches and 52.2 inches for the rear. At number 3, we have the FH Group Gray, Black Heavy-Duty Tall Channel Rubber Floor Mats. This floor mat from FH Group is one of the most affordable solutions we have on this floor mat review. Indeed, when it comes to price, this unit is literally unbeatable. Another factor that demarks this mat is that it is available in a wide range of colors to match the interior of your vehicle. Additionally, there are tall ridges in this floor mat that makes it anti-slip and quite comfortable to rest your feet on. Of course, since it is made from rubber, it is also waterproof and will resist any spills with ease. All in all, this model from FH Group is one of the best floor liners when it comes to price. If you are on a short budget, we recommend that you consider this model even if it is not the most durable car mat we have encountered. At number 2, we have the Motor Trend Black FlexTough Contour Liners. Not everybody can afford an expensive floor mat. This is where the Motor Trend floor mat comes into play. This model tries to offer a high-quality floor mat for an affordable price, so it has an excellent price-to-quality ratio. So far, it is mission succeeded. In addition, this model comes in no less than 4 different colors so as to match your vehicle. Since this is a custom floor mat, you can easily trim the edges to make them fit the inside of your vehicle. Best of all, this model does not produce any bad odors. The grooves and ridges on this floor mat make it anti-slip as well. If you choose to go barefoot, it will feel quite comfortable since the rubber is also soft despite being heavy-duty and extremely durable. Just bear in mind that this top-rated floor mat contains lead and is not the most suitable model for those who usually drive barefoot. And finally at number 1, we have the Husky Liners. This Husky Liners floor mat is a custom floor mat made for the Ford F-150 Super Crew, Super Cab truck. It comes in a wide range of sizes so as to fit your truck, whether you are only looking for floor mats intended for the standard F-150 model or for any other vehicle model in the Ford F-150 line. One of the best things about this floor mat is that it has a deep attention to detail and the contours will fit your vehicle perfectly even if it has quite complex edges. Moreover, the grooves and ridges on the floor mat are made in such a way that it will contain any spills in the middle so that you can easily throw it away. Moreover, this floor mat is made in the USA using the highest quality rubber. Therefore, you can expect it to last many years and can be used as a heavy-duty floor mat without suffering the risk of damage. It is definitely one of the best floor mat for trucks on the market. The caveat we have with this model is that it is a bit on the expensive side, but this is expected considering this is a Husky Liners floor mat. Also, this model is not universal and intended for the Ford F-150 line of trucks only. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.